going on, guys? This is Jacob from Team Monsterbass. I have a huge tournament, 621 anglers in this tournament. It's a Fish USA tournament held by Chad Hoover. It's going to be amazing. Right now, I'm currently going to Dylan Fuqua, which is the top 10 qualifier on the KBF. He also has won the Pro Tour in KBF 2 times. It's an honor to borrow this stuff. Dylan's a great angler. Since I'm fishing this tournament of a KBF, I didn't have a bump board. Dylan letting me borrow his custom catch board that he got from winning the Pro Tour. We're gonna meet up with Vince, get that done, and then I'm gonna go fishing. All right, guys, I'm at Dylan's dad's, which is Vince Fuqua's cabin. This is the RS-117 that I'm going to be fishing for. Just to give you a heads up, first place takes not this kayak, but this Zag brand of kayak. And it's from, you know, Bonafide, KBF. It's a tournament we're going to be fishing. So he's hooked me up with the Yak Attack leverage landing net. He's also hooked me up with the catch board, the NRS Chinook Life Vest. Props to you, Dylan, for letting me borrow all this stuff. And Vince, thank you. These are the native watercrafts. That's Dylan's boat. That's Vince's boat. All right, I'm with Dylan's dad, Vince. I appreciate you letting me borrow this stuff so I can be a little bit semi-professional. I don't know if that's gonna work out or not, but you know.
Set up, buddy. Good luck.
Thank you, I appreciate it. All right, guys, we're about to start. I got my identifier, so whenever I catch the fish, I put it on the bump board and identify the tournament. This is Jacob from Monsterbass. Let's go kick some bass. The Fish USA free-for-all held by Chad Hoover himself. Thanks, Chad, for hosting this tournament, and I hope I win. Just saying. No, but seriously, guys, who's ever in this tournament, good luck. It's all in fun, tight lines, and I hope you guys do well. All right, well, I made it through that. Stuff is slick. Oh, that's cold. Make sure I still have everything. Yep, I got everything. Oh, it's so calm. Last time I was here, it was so windy. Bass US, oh, you suck. I gutted it. We foul hooked that one. We'll just put that one back. There we go. There we go. Oh, come on. Come on. That is a good one. And you took that all the way in the back of the throw, didn't you? Let's get this entered in. All right, guys, 14-inch fish. See ya. I am in a Feel Free Moken 10 kayak, if y'all are wondering. It's a good kayak. It's comfortable. Wish the seat was higher. Wish I could stand up, but I can't. Yep, that's the first bass I lost. You guys seen it. It came out. It just would not close its mouth. Fish USA. Make sure my net is underneath it this time. So that's 13.5. Y'all see it? See if I can get a picture before this sucker jumps out. Oh, I got it. Fish. Oh, no. That was a freaking 4-pounder. I just lost it. All right. All right, guys, 13-inch fish. See ya. All right. All right, here we go. All right, 15-inch. I'm in second place with 55.50. I'll tell you what, I wonder if it's better if I leave this out like this. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're talking. There's one, guys. Fish USA, free for all. Let's just skid this one in. In for the win. Boom. Oh God, a little too fast. All right, here we go. That is a 12.5-inch fish. I'm gonna have to catch a big one. Look at that black spot on there. That's melanoma. See ya. There's one. I got it. It's just a little guy. Whoa, it ain't no little guy. Look at this crappie. Ah, let me lip you. There we go. It's a nice crappie off a buzzbait. Get out of here. There we go, guys. 13.25 fish, but it won't stop moving. See if that picture looks good. 13.25. Okay, so I got 68.75. All right, thank you, buddy. Thanks for playing. Oh, there's one. Fish USA. All right, that's a color. There's the cast I wanted. Fish USA. There we go. That's a color. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. All right, paddlers, that was a 15-inch fish exactly. That put me 4 inches away from first place currently. I'm so happy right now. Oh, oh my, guys, that hit 5 times. This is a good one. It was hungry. 15-inch fish, that's for sure. Okay. No! That would have put me in first place. Dang it. I'm gonna have to find a better way to do that. Oh, that's an even better one. Fish USA. There we go, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Yes! Woo! Yak attack. Thank you. Yes! Baby. You tore up my buzzbait, but you're a good one. 18.5-inch fish. All right, baby girl. Let me make sure that you're entered before I let you go. Zeroed her out. 3.5 pounds. Thank you, baby. That's right. Time to calm down after that one. Look at what he did to my buzzbait. Flimsy. Oh no. That one came out of nowhere. Fish USA, free for all. I think I got it hooked sideways because it jumped. Oh, good Lord. Good night. This is nice. Hello. Come on in. Oh. Close your mouth. Quit being stupid. Okay, camera. Dummy. Oh, card. Get out of my ears, you stupid bugs. 76.50. All right. All right, see you later, buddy. Still in first. Oh, I lost a good one. That was a good one, guys. Yep. That one will help. That one will help. $14. See you, buddy. 76.75. Awesome. Okay, so right here you have fresh water coming in, right? So you got this buzz bait. I'm gonna throw it up in there and bring it out, and I should get a fish. They're feeding on that stuff. I was hoping it'd be a larger one because I cannot use this fish. But look for key points like that when fishing a buzzbait, or any lure to be exact. You can throw a chug bug, you can throw anything in that. Those fish feed on that running water because it's bringing stuff in for the fish to eat. It was all nice and warm, now I'm all soaking wet. And of course, since it's raining, the fish aren't gonna be biting on top. Sometimes it attracts them, sometimes it doesn't. And this is obviously the time that it doesn't. There's a nice one. Now that's a 15-inch fish, guys. Heck yeah. $77.75. Awesome. This buzzbait has done me good. There's a good one. Fish USA. $78.50. Okay. See you later, buddy. There we go. I don't think it's... Oh, Fish USA. You didn't seem like you were a good fish. But you are. Yes, you are. You pretty little thing, you. Get in here. You're barely even hooked. I'm sitting here playing with you like you're hooked. No, you're good. Ooh, you're a solid 15 and a half. Heck yeah. Don't you flip. I'll be mad. Just stay calm. You'll go back in the water in a few seconds. 15 and a half. All right. You're good. Bye-bye. Woo! Bye-bye. Sorry, guys. About just fishing with one bait all day. Ooh, you really screwed up my buzz bait on that one. Might have to retire him early. Oh, nope. She's fixed. Skirt. There's no skirt left on it. This is Jacob from Team Monsterbass. Check them out. Get your box. I probably have GoPro hair. This is the Fish USA Bass Tournament held by Chad Hoover himself from the KBF 7925. I'm currently in first. That's the unofficial right now, so they got to judge it. I'm hoping and praying that I might be able to get a good one out of here. Oh, yes. 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 Oh, right through the eyeball, buddy. Sorry, man. All right, guys. That's freaking awesome. Okay, stop. Stop. Ow. Lay your tail down. You're a good 15 and a half. All right, guys. I ended the day with 79.75. Okay, see you, buddy.